In every ghetto there's a struggle. Guys, today, what am I going to do today? I'm going to make plantain and banana pudding. You understand now, lead? Yeah. Look over here, so. This is what I go and put the little table over here, so. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate my plantain and my banana. I'm going to use a Dutch lady milk. Guys, just watch how I go on. See me and my peanut butter, guys. I love my peanut butter and my pudding, and my banana pudding. But this pudding I go be banana and plantain. You understand now, this? So guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen today. World in trouble. In every ghetto there's a struggle. Why so many people are fight for your call? Guys, we soon come back. Yeah, you don't know anything. Alive and the crime still stay alive. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grate up some plantain and make them see what I want. You understand now, you know when you come in a Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness, not you? Yeah. So I do banana and plantain pudding today. Yeah guys, so see me right plantain them. Yeah. Be a badness guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Just watch how I go on guys in the kitchen. And remember to please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it guys, yeah. You don't know about badness, so the banana them can just miss it. Yeah guys, so we use 3 banana and 3 ripe plantain. So guys, watch what go on in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put some vanilla. I'm gonna put in some essence. You understand what I did? Yeah, so watch what go on guys. Guys, peanut butter. Yeah. I like my peanut butter and my banana pudding. You understand what I did? But this I wanna know banana and plantain. So I like my peanut butter. Peanut butter give the flavor, you understand what I did? Yeah, it give a nice flavor guys, when I like to tell them. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna mix up. You understand what I did there? Peanut butter, banana plantain, baking powder. I don't grate the nutmeg yet. The milk guys. Some sugar. I'm not gonna put a lot of sugar because you don't know the banana sweet, the peanut butter and the plantain. You understand what I did here? So guys, when I go do, I go mix up that and I'm gonna see what I want. Yeah guys, so watch what I want there, so I go on, yeah. I go put in the flour now guys. Yeah. Yeah guys, so we put in some flour. So guys, I'm gonna mix out this and I'm gonna see what I go on in our kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is what I go on. Yeah. So I go on there, yeah. So when I go to know, I go grate my nutmeg. before I grate my nutmeg, I will light the stove and make it go preheat. You understand all this? Yeah. Guys, just watch what go on in our kitchen. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Remember me tell you. Yeah, guys, so I light up the stove, put it 550 degrees height to make it hot. So when I go put in me thing them now, I turn it down to where I want it. You understand what I did? So guys, watch what go on in our kitchen. Just stay tuned and watch what go on. You don't know about this already. Yeah, guys, so I go throw out my pan them you know. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I go put them in now and I'm gonna see what go on. You understand my deed, yeah? Guys, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Remember me tell us. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a banana and plantain pudding. You understand my deed? So guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on in our kitchen today. So I go on in our oven there, you see it? Yeah. My banana and plantain pudding. I bake up, guys. I be a badness. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on my plantain and banana pudding, guys. Yeah, you don't know a badness go, guys. Soon come back. Guys, the one I go bad, me now life, tell you. You don't know a badness go. Yeah, guys, so watch what go on in our oven. You see that, guys? Yeah. Although they don't want soap to come out, you understand me? I did. Yeah, me not like it till them look good. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do now? I gotta take them out. You understand what I did? Yeah. So I go on. So I go take them out and make them cool. Yeah, people, you don't know a badness go. Lock off my oven. Guys, I be a badness. Yeah, guys, so look for my banana and plantain pudding. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Two of them too. Yeah, you don't know a thing set up. Banana and plantain pudding, guys. Be a badness. You understand me? Did? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Look what I'm going over this. You see that? Yeah, guys. So, see you in our next video, guys. I'm out. Yeah, I don't know badness. And remember, please like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it. And leave your thought in the comment section, guys. So, I'm out.